for Nova Explorers. I hope you all know how useful it is to clean soldering iron tip. In this video, I will show you how you can make a soldering iron cleaner in very cheap materials such as perfume can. Things you just need one perfume can and some tool to cut it through, something like a handsaw or scissors like this. After cutting, make sure you sand these edges in order to avoid any injury. You also need these kind of steel wires. You can easily get it from any grocery stores. It will not cost you more than 10 or 20 rupees. What I have done, I have taken the front part of that can and removed the spring mechanism from here. So what will happen? All the dirt and waste will get collected in it, and I can easily empty it whenever I require. So as I demonstrated you in the beginning of this video, it is very convenient to use, and the additional part that I have, I can use it for holding my useful uh, commonly used tools. If you go to buy this kind of soldering iron cleaner, it will cost you a lot. And other methods of cleaning soldering iron tip is not as effective as this is. I hope this will really help you all.